Hey Cheryl, how you doing? It's Leo again. We spoke earlier on the phone, and I wanted to get this quick video sent over showing some tips and tricks you can do in-house to help bring in more business using your website when you get it and your Google Business Profile. I'd love to hear some feedback from you about the video. Hope these strategies are helpful and educational for you. Now, as you see, I've got your Google Business Profile up right here. I was just looking through a couple of things. You got 4 reviews. That's not bad. But I would definitely suggest that any job going forward, you could have a QR code on your business card that leads back here to your Google Business Profile, or you could just have a printout, or it could be on the bill, the invoice, things like that, just asking your customers to leave an honest review. I'm sure you all do great work, so you would really need to have those reviews left on your Google Business Profile. You know, if you ever wanted to run ads, 3.8 is about as low as your review rate can go. So the more 5-star reviews you get in here, the more it's going to help you out. Now, I know you don't have a website right now, so actually what I've done was pulled up Plumbers Lexington, Kentucky, and I went down through the directories and the ads and found the #1 ranking company organically. And I'm going to take them and we're going to run over their site. I'm just going to show you some things that they're doing right and some things that they could definitely improve on. So looking through this website, it's not a bad website at all. But Google actually just did their second update for 2022. And content is king. Google has implemented 2 rollout updates this year, and both of them has been about content. So the websites that's on the first page or wherever they're ranking, they're going to start losing rank because lack of content. So my biggest suggestion on this page would be they need to build more content. And this goes for you as well. So when you build a new website, you would need to have that content on there. Google loves content. They want to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words on your home page. And throughout that content, you want to add buyer intent keywords that you want to be found for in Google searches, where you're located, and what services you offer. Another good thing to do is save photos and videos as keywords, because that's considered content as well. So anytime you have an image on your website, you want to take an opportunity there and put, plumbing, Lexington, Kentucky, hot water heater replacement, Lexington, Kentucky, something that's a buyer intent keyword, buyer intent keyword phrase. So this is 6 opportunities right here that they could have embedded those buyer intent keywords behind those photos. Google bots search these websites 24/7, and the bots actually don't have eyes, so they don't see these awesome gentlemen here. They just see the context hidden behind them. So that's an opportunity to take advantage of the buyer intent keywords. Now, what I've done here is put their website into a tool I use called Ahrefs, and it's going to give me the analytics of their website. So this is a UR and DR right here, and these are things that your website, when you get a website, is going to start having. And this will be the trust of the strength of your website, and the trust of your website. These numbers are out of 100, so you want to keep them balanced and moving up continuously. Now, this is a backlink. There's 392 backlinks on their website going to their website, and 103 referring domains. Now, a backlink is a website linking to another website via clickable button or text. Not all backlinks are created equal. Some backlinks can be spammy, and you definitely don't want those, and there's some that's more authoritative. So you want to go after the backlinks that's more authoritative and relevant to your industry and that's local to you. As of right now, they have 691 keywords, and that's driving 606 people to their website each month. And that's more like a lead generating tool. This websites are not expensive. They're not liabilities. They are assets. They create more money. So when these websites are optimized and built correctly, they're going to drive more traffic. So they've got Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky, which is a pretty good keyword. It's got 1,300 searches a month. The KD's 4. The KDs in the single-digit numbers are a lot easier to rank for. So you have those embedded in your content, and you'll start ranking a lot quicker. This goes up to 100. Of course, the higher the number, the keyword difficulty, the higher and harder that is to rank. Not impossible, but definitely a little harder to rank. Now, what I've done is put buyer intent keyword Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky in, And at the top up here is where you always see the Google ads. Again, you're running about a 3.8, and that's about as low as you can go because Google definitely won't recommend anyone under a 3.8 with your reviews. So get those reviews, try to get that beefed up, and it'll help you a lot. It'll also get you up here on this top 3. Now, again, these are the local ads up here, which is not a bad way to drive business quickly, but once you stop paying for those ads, you're gone off that first page. Now, down here is the map pack, and this is where you really want to be in these top 3, and you're not here right now. So without your website, I'd definitely focus on this map pack. So there's several ways to get here. You can make sure that you're constantly adding reviews, which we've already covered. Make sure your business name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet. You definitely do not want to mislead Google. There's a 750 character About Us section at the bottom that you want to fill out, and don't forget to add those keywords in there as well. Posting branded, geotagged, and geolocated photos weekly also helps you rank organically, and that's what I was showing you with the gentleman. You can save those as buyer intent keywords. So any photo that you put on your Google business profile, make sure that the name is saved correctly behind those photos. You can also add citations. Now, a citation is your business name, address, and phone number. You need to put those in directories like Yellow Pages, White Pages, Yext, Yelp, things like that. Honestly, Google's like a big popularity contest, as weird as it is to say. Giving out your information to as many directories as possible will help make Google trust you more, and it will boost your business not only in your area, but the surrounding areas as well. Now, being in the Google Map will give you about 30 to 40% of traffic that goes to your website, and then they'll give you a call from there. Now, next down here is the analytics, the Google organic section down here. And again, these H2O Mysterio is the ones that's number 1. And again, you know, they're lacking website. Their photos aren't saved correctly. There's not a lot of SEO done on this website here. So what I've done is put in Plumbers and Lexington, Kentucky. I just wanted to show you the volume here. So Plumbers, Lexington, Kentucky is KD of 4, 1,200. Plumbing, Lexington, Kentucky is 5 KD of 300 volume. Plumbing Companies, Lexington, Kentucky is a KD of 1 with 50 searches a month. So there's a decent amount of volume here. Once you start ranking, a percentage of that total volume is going to go to your website. A percentage of that's going to give you a call. And then depending on your close rate, you can turn those calls into customers. So Cheryl, I definitely hope that this video was helpful. Again, I'd love to hear some feedback and thoughts, and I appreciate your time. Also, if you got any questions, comments, concerns of any type, reach out. Feel free to reach out because I could be that resource for you if need be. Hope you have a great day, and thank you for your time.